Hi everyone, this is your Sifu at Tree Nature and Tina Dragon Taoism. Pay attention, my disciples or disciples to be. This is for newbies, beginners, my initiated disciples, like in the first stage. You can send help to each others in the lineage for helping them with your magic power. This is for sending support power, okay? In professional term, we say you're sending the troops over. The troops, okay? So here is the representative of the God inside you, okay? It's like a ball of light. So what you're doing is you need to bring this God from the inside of you, which usually is like that, okay, inside of you, and it goes up in your center path and all the way to above the head, and then it goes here. Now you're going to like instruct it so that it flies to the other place where it needs to stay, okay? Now, once it's stayed into an other place, it will be able to give help. So here is what you'll do. Left hand, right hand. First, sword finger hand sign at the heart. Close your eyes. Think of heart spell 0. You're not reciting it word by word. Just think of it like heart spell 0. Okay, recall the memory. Stomp the left foot. Shake. Now, cross. As you do this, your left foot step back half a step. Okay, cross, left hand outside, right hand point down and all the way up. Stomp your right foot by stomping the heel like that. Okay, stomp and then shake down. While you're doing this, you want the Santoi, that God, to go down with you. Okay, now imagine that thing is on top like a ball of light. Circle to select it. Go up. Okay, now my eyes are still closed. Okay, chop forward and then make a circle. Point to here. Now you have to visualize the person or the place or whatever thing you're going to send it to. Okay, visualize when you have an image in your head. Kind of know what it is and kind of can see that person in the head. Stomp your right foot, point forward. Okay, now sending the God out. Okay, up and chop one time. Okay, like this. Send over. This is like push to tell the God to go forward. Okay, and then down, make a big circle. And land the God on the subject and flip the God go into the subject and then like this, and you go stomp the right foot to tell it to stay. Cha! Okay, you see the word cha. Now the God is inside the person staying, right? Now you are like remotely and simultaneously doing stuff with the God that you sent out right now. It's kind of like that is your drone and here's the controller, right? Okay, so now it's time to brew up the horse, which is the power, that power of the troop. So here you will start visualizing what you want to happen to the other person. For example, this person is sick and you wish they will be well. So you visualize them like, oh, very sick, and then they start to get happy and active again. You kind of create a video in yourself to replicate what you want to happen to the other person. For example, I want that person to be very confident. So you see them like, like that, and then glowing light. Just be exaggerating is fine, doesn't have to be realistic. Okay, oh, I want them to have lots of wealth for their business. Then you kind of imagine money falling down from the sky. It's just a representative image. Okay, so while you think, you shake this hand sign to get it more power. Just rain down more power, more visualization. Okay, after we're done with the visualization, then it's time to do this. Pa, and then right hand, come here, like this, stomp the right foot. Ho! Okay. Now we're back here, open the eyes, and we are done. That's how you send the troop over, okay? Now, if you are a disciple, you have access to our line chat room, Zello chat group. So if you have any question, you can ask me directly. Do not try to just keep watching the video to learn it yourself. If you don't get it, ask question right away. Now, by sending more troops and the horses to the other side, while they are doing magic to fix themselves up or to solve their problem, your troop is like manpower. It gives them the power so they can work with their magic with more resources. Or if they are not with magic power, like they're not a disciple here, maybe just your relative is sick in the hospital, right? These things will go into their heart, and when they have to use their own heart, right, such as to stay focused, to make decision, to stay confident and like determined to survive or whatever, right? When they use their own energy, your resources, it's like you gave them extra money. So anything they're doing, it will be empowered and it will give them support to get better. Okay, so this is the way you can send your troops and give help to other people. So when you see other people are in need of help in the lineage, right? Such as maybe you have a younger brother or sister in the lineage, right? You see, oh, they're sick or they're going through hurdles and something like that. You can send help over immediately. Now, after you send the help, go online and tell them troops has been sent, right? Then at least they know you have done it. And first of all, they know you have sent them troop. When they do magic, they will know, and those troops will be usable by them. They will be like, okay, now I have all these help at the back. I'm doing my magic. I can call up more power. Okay, so that's how we send help. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.